Hi, this is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of EM Coach, coming to you with another explanation for one of our EP monthly questions. This extra explanation is going to be a little less on the extra side and more on the emphasis side, that the Centaur criteria are no longer acceptable for an indication to go ahead and treat with antibiotics for a pharyngitis. Let me say that again. You should not be treating for streptococcal pharyngitis just by Centaur score. The Centaur score is only useful at this point for indicating a need to get that swab. So treat based on a swab. It used to be years ago that the ACP was still holding fast to the idea that you could treat empirically with a Centaur score of 4 or better. That is no longer the case. So make sure you get the swab. This is a really easy question for them to throw at you. And we see streptococcal pharyngitis with such great frequency, it's also a reasonable question for them to toss at you. So make sure you get the swab. You should be getting the swab before you treat streptococcal pharyngitis. Rather than just using a Centaur score in order to treat it. So Centaur score means get a swab, and then whatever that swab shows, treat or not treat for your streptococcal pharyngitis. This is Andrew Phillips, the founder and editor-in-chief of EM Coach. Wish you luck on your exam.